our power grid is changing. Decentralized feed-in, volatile load flows, reverse power flow. Stable voltage today requires dynamic set points, matching the current grid conditions. Grid expansion would be one answer, but it is slow, expensive, and not the only way. Tapcon ISM. With Tapcon dynamic set point control, the voltage remains stable, even with fluctuating feed-in. The foundation is a grid simulation. It considers extreme scenarios with minimum and maximum active power at the transformer. For these scenarios, set points are defined that ensure the voltage at all points in the grid remains within the permissible tolerance band. Based on this, Tapcon automatically and continuously selects the optimal set point, depending on the active power currently measured. The result? More stability in the grid and more time for grid expansion. But that's not all. Thanks to IEC 61850 GOOSE, even complex wiring becomes significantly simpler. GOOSE-enabled motor drives, such as ETOS, can exchange signals with Tapcon directly via the protocol. Functions and interfaces can be expanded at any time, without replacing the entire device. With the Transformer Personal Logic Editor, you create your own functions yourself, intuitively, via a graphical interface, without any programming knowledge. During commissioning, the integrated commissioning wizard guides you step by step through all relevant parameters. Less effort, more control, maximum voltage stability. This is the Tapcon ISM, engineered to take voltage regulation to the next level. Learn more now at reinhausen.com/tapcon-ISM.